Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another project. Today we're making these bright sunflower coasters. They go together pretty darn fast, so you'll be able to brighten up your tabletops and desktops in no time at all. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable template. Or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device and then print out just the template page. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need a 1/4 yard of fabric for the sunflower, 4 fabric scraps for the centers, cotton batting, a glue stick, the printable sunflower templates, and optional pinky shears and an optional walking foot. First, place the sunflower fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. On top, place the layer of batting and align it with the shorter end of the fabric. If you want a thicker coaster, go ahead and add a second layer of batting. Fold the other half of the fabric over on top of the batting with the right side of the fabric facing up. Cut out the sunflower templates and arrange them on the fabric at least 1/2 inch away from the fabric's edge and from each other, and pin them in place. It may take a little bit of extra wrangling to get them to all fit. Rough cut around each template, making sure you leave an equal amount of space between each flower. Stitch each sunflower by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper. Make sure your needle's in the down position when you're pivoting. Then follow the same steps to cut out and stitch the other sunflowers. Use scissors or pinking shears to trim a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch outside the stitching lines. Repeat the same for all the sunflowers. Do use extra caution when cutting in the points. Use the middle circle section of the sunflower template to cut out 4 centers. Arrange the centers in the middle of the sunflowers and attach them with a glue stick. Stitch the circle in the middle of the fabric by sewing an 1/8 of an inch to a 1/4 inch inside the edge of the fabric circle with a straight stitch, or stitch the raw edges with a blanket stitch, a zigzag stitch, or a satin stitch. I like trying out different stitch lengths and widths before I work on the appliqué. Then stitch the rest of the centers on the remaining coasters. And just like that, just that fast, you have a set of sunflower coasters to brighten your tabletop, desktop, or brighten someone else's day. If you'd like to see more quick and easy projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.